So dear students, so this problem is based on resistance. So in this problem, so a metal wire of radius 2 millimeter and length. So radius has given, length has given, is connected to a battery of 3 volts and internal resistance of the battery is 1.5 ohm. Calculate the current density in the wire. So already given resistivity of the material, resistivity of the material is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 already given. So actually, so let us consider this is a wire. So this wire having some length L and area of cross section, this is area of cross section. The area of cross section is because from the radius you can calculate, and it is connected to a battery, but this battery is also having some internal resistance, that is 1.5, that is 1.5. The EMF of the battery is 3 volts. Now it is connected to the wire. So in this problem our aim is to calculate the what is current density. So current density is, what is the value of the current density in this problem. So here, so given, so we know radius r is equal to 2 millimeters. So from this radius you can calculate area of cross section, that is pi r square. The pi r square is pi into r square, that is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. So and next EMF as given, that EMF E is equal to 3 volts, and the internal resistance, let us consider the internal resistance is small r. Here also one radius, so that is why we will change the term, some r dash, okay, r dash. So the internal resistance r dash is equal to 1.5 ohm, and already we know the rho value, resistivity value. So here first of all find out this resistance. Resistance R is equal to rho L by A. So here rho L by A is here pi r square. So first here the rho value is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 8 into length 30 meters divided by pi into the radius is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 millimeters. So I am converting into meters, 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. So if you simplify this one, you will get 3.82 into 10 to the power of minus 2 ohms. So this is the resistance of the given wire. So we calculated resistance. So after that, first find out the current, how much current, because if you want to calculate current density, first calculate current, because current density J is equal to I by A. So for that you must calculate current. So we know already resistance and EMF of the battery, so you can calculate very easily current. So current I is equal to, so simply voltage by resistance, that is EMF by resistance, but resistance of the wire and also this battery has some internal resistance. So that is why we can write R plus R dash, here R dash, okay. So here E is equal to 3 volts, next R value is 3.82 into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus internal resistance is 1.5. So this is equal to, so after simplifying this value we will get 1.95 amperes approximately. So if this is the current passing through the wire, so you know the current passing through the wire, you can calculate current density. So current density J is equal to I by A. So what is the value of I? Already calculated, that is 1.95 divided by A is the area of cross section. The area of cross section is pi into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. So after simplification of this, so it is 1.55 into 10 to the power of 5 ampere per meter square. So now the current density J is equal to 1.55 into 10 to the power of 5 ampere per meter square. So this is the current density of the given wire.